What happens when a customer finds the perfect product, but it's out of stock? Instead of losing that customer, you can let them sign up for a restock notification. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a Notify Me When Available button to your Shopify store using a free app. Step 1. Install a free Shopify app. First, go to the Shopify App Store and search for SDOQ, Back in Stock Pre-Order. Install the app and open it from your Shopify admin. SDOQ offers a free plan, so you can set up back in stock notifications without paying for the app. Step 2. Enable the app embed. After installing the app, follow the setup checklist to enable the SDOQ app embed. This will open your Shopify theme editor. In App Embeds, turn on SDOQ, then click Save. The app embed is required for the Notify Me widget to appear on your storefront. Step 3. Enable the Notify Me button. Now, go back to the SDOQ app. Open Back in Stock Alerts, then go to Sign Up widget and click Customize widget. Under Button, go to Products. Make sure the Notify Me button is enabled for out-of-stock products. By default, SDOQ shows the button when the selected product variant is out of stock. You can choose which products should display the widget and adjust additional settings based on your needs. Then click Save. Step 4. Customize the button. Next, go back to the Button tab. Click on Button Position Style. Here, you can customize the button text, color, style, and position to match your store. For example, you can place the Notify Me button directly below the Sold Out button or floating on the right side. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save. Step 5. Check the result. Finally, open a product that is currently out of stock. You should now see the Notify Me When Available button below the Sold Out button. When a customer clicks it, they can enter their email or phone number to join the waitlist. Once the product is restocked, SDOQ automatically sends them a notification. And that's it. Now, instead of losing customers when a product sells out, you can collect their interest and bring them back when the product is available again. Don't forget to subscribe and check the comments for more details.